Hey, my name is Samsak. I am the group coordinator.
Hello, my name is Isaac, one of the group members.
Hi, this is Alan.
This is Sonia. And this is Jen.
As a group, we're Group 28, and as a group, we've decided to do 3D printing for our project. 3D printing is basically taking a digital model and printing it as in a 3D solid object. This process involves stacking layers on top of layers of either liquid, paper, or sheet material to create that solid object.
And the reason we choose 3D printing is because 3D printing is the most interesting topic in the project rather than the others. And we think 3D printing is actually really interesting because in the process of making 3D printing is from the making a model in computer software and combine the members' parts together, or making a real object in a machine is actually all quite fun.
After we decide to do the 3D printing, we have a few options. Our initial idea is making a car, but we found it's too difficult to make a car by using SketchUp. And then we changed our idea to make a house. One of our group members said it's too simple to make a normal house for such a large group, and we still want to keep the structure of a house, so we think a castle is more challenging for us.
So before splitting the work to each group members, we decided what the castle was going to look like. So since the castle is complicated in structure, we decided to split it between two members. So one member did the top part of the castle and the other did the bottom part. And other remaining three members did the cannons, the gates, walls, and the house.
We finished all of our part. We give it to Sam. Our coordinator tried to combine all the parts together by copying and pasting into one SketchUp file. We only have one difficulty is about the size of every member part, whether it will fit into the final object. And our limitation is none of the members get used to AutoCAD, which is very professional program to drawing the 3D.
Lastly, these the parts that we did separately, and this is good. We joined. There were more parts to begin with, but we decided that they were unnecessary, and we ended up deleting them. These were the major problems that we had when we try joining two objects together. It may seem like it's perfect, but once we zoom in, once you zoom in far enough, you'll notice that there's a small gap between them. This created a major issue for us while we printed our object. And another major problems we had was the thickness of our model. Like example, this roof right here, there's a bit coming off the edge. That part will not print due to its thickness. Yeah, we didn't know that until the end, but it was too late to change anything. And lastly, this was the surface. When like we weren't really sure which way was the right way and which way was the opposite. So yeah, that was the worst issue for us. We're not having to selecting it in reverse and flipping the faces around, and which took us quite a lot of time. And yeah, those were the only difficulties we experienced during the creation of our model. This is our final product, and as you can see, it did not print out exactly as how we wished it to, but yeah, like this wall down here, it didn't print out due to the wall being inside out. Also the front door, the second cannon, and also
blocks on the wall. There are a few other details as well, but overall we're happy with our model.